Respected guests, director, dean academic, teachers and dear friends. I am Mohammad Araf from grade 2 of Sunbeam World School Live. A warm greetings to everyone on this proud occasion of Republic Day. Today we celebrate the day when our country got its own constitution, making us a sovereign nation. Even though we are at a very young age, we can understand the importance of this day. Republic Day is just not about parades and flags, it's about the values that make our country special: unity, diversity, and freedom. Just like a garden with many different flowers, our country has people from various backgrounds, speaking different languages and celebrating diverse festivals. Our leaders work hard to create a set of rules called the Constitution. It's like a guidebook that tells us how to live peacefully together and with respect for each other's differences. So, as we celebrate today, let's remember the heroes who made our country free and the values that make our country strong. Let's promise to be good citizens and always be ready to learn, help others, and make our country proud. Happy Republic Day to all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.